Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Kashmir. Kashmir is known for its stunning natural beauty. The region is nestled in the Himalayas. Dal Lake is a famous symbol of Kashmir. Kashmir culture is rich and diverse. Srinagar is the summer capital, famous for its houseboats. Adventure activities like trekking are popular in Kashmir. Kashmir shawls and carpets are renowned for their craftsmanship. Despite challenges, Kashmiris are resilient. Poets and artists draw inspiration from Kashmir's beauty. Visiting Kashmir leaves lasting memories of its unmatched charm. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.